Hey creators and builders, welcome to Top Trending AI Agent Projects this week, where you'll discover powerful real tools that push AI beyond simple chat into real work. In this video, we'll look at agents like Gemini Deep Research Agent for autonomous multi-step research, and Devstral 2, a CLI coding assistant that executes changes across your codebase. Let's dive in and explore these cutting-edge AI systems.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Gemini Deep Research Agent Update. Google is reimagining its Gemini Deep Research Agent and now opening it up to developers through a new Interactions API, making its advanced autonomous research capabilities embeddable in apps for the first time. This move follows recent upgrades that enhance the agent's ability to plan, search, read, reason, and synthesize complex information using the powerful Gemini 3 Pro model. Developers can now tap into these deep research features directly to build tools that produce detailed, multi-step analytical reports or automated insights from web and data sources. The Interactions API is designed as a unified interface for both standard model use and agentic workflows, allowing deep research to autonomously perform long-running research tasks, such as competitive analysis, literature reviews, or domain synthesis, across web data and user inputs. These tasks can span multiple steps and deliver detailed, citation-rich outputs. Early signals indicate this updated agent competes with similar capabilities in other AI ecosystems and is positioned to serve developers, enterprise users, and research teams who need deep analytical reasoning built into their applications. Project number 2, OpenAI introducing GPT 5.2. OpenAI has introduced GPT 5.2, the newest model family in the GPT-5 series, designed to be the most capable version yet for professional knowledge work, complex reasoning, coding, and long context understanding. GPT 5.2 delivers significant improvements over earlier versions in areas like generating spreadsheets and presentations, writing and debugging code, interpreting images, and handling multi-step agent-style workflows, making it more efficient and reliable for real-world productivity tasks. The update includes different variants such as Instant for everyday writing and assistance, Thinking for deeper reasoning and multi-step tasks, and Pro for the highest quality outputs. Early examples showed GPT 5.2 achieving new benchmark records on evaluations tied to professional work and outperforming previous models in areas like long context integration and structured reasoning. OpenAI is rolling out GPT 5.2 to paid ChatGPT users and providing access via its API to developers, strengthening use cases in enterprise and automation while competing closely with Gemini 3 class models from other AI labs. Project number 3, Macaly, AI-first platform for websites and apps. Imagine working with a tool where you can simply tell it what you want and watch fully functional websites or applications come alive in minutes. That's Macaly, an AI-driven Vybe coding assistant that transforms natural language or voice descriptions into live SEO-ready sites, dashboards, landing pages, or full apps without needing manual coding. Macaly's agent interprets your prompt, drafts code, generates layouts and design elements, manages data through built-in databases, and even hosts your project online, all in one unified platform that blends creation, editing, publishing, and analytics. It comes with features like a visual canvas to sketch flows, global styles for consistent design, automatic SEO optimization so your content can be found on search engines, and direct GitHub integration that helps with real-time prototyping and code management. Because it handles both design and back-end logic, Macaly matters today for founders, marketers, agencies, and non-technical builders who want to iterate fast, launch professional-grade products, and maintain them without a developer team. One real case: describe your idea for a portfolio site or CRM tool, refine the design with Conversation, and publish it live with custom domain support in minutes. Explore it today and see how fast your ideas can become real online. Project number 4, Macaly, conversational AI teammate that automates customer and business workflows. Here's something that feels like the future for businesses and products, looking to automate support, sales, and engagement across every channel. Macaly is an AI-powered conversational agent platform that lets teams build, customize, and deploy intelligent AI agents that don't just chat but understand context, act on intent, and handle real tasks at scale. You create an AI agent using a visual builder or by simply pointing it at your website or data sources, and Macaly will automatically read the content like FAQs, product info, or documentation to start answering questions and resolving issues right away. These agents run across email, web chat, WhatsApp, mobile apps, voice calls, and even Slack, all integrated under a unified intelligent system that remembers context, adapts to brand tone, and automates actions like recommending products, booking appointments, resolving support tickets, or fetching order details. Unlike basic rule-based chatbots, Macaly's agents use conversational NLU to maintain context across interactions and personalize replies while connecting to CRM or back-end systems to perform real actions. Whether you're a startup automating support, an e-commerce team driving sales, or a service business handling high-volume queries, Macaly gives you 24/7 AI assistance that scales with demand. Give it a run and watch automation unfold in real time. Project number 5, Hero, AI-enhanced collaborative editor for formal documents. Here's something that feels like the future for creators, legal teams, and product builders who wrestle with complex writing. Hero is an AI-powered collaborative workspace that transforms how structured business documents get written, linked, and managed. It's not just another text editor. Hero understands the relationships between clauses, terms, and sections, and uses AI to intelligently categorize and cross-reference content so you can instantly navigate massive documents without losing context. Built for teams dealing with contracts, technical specifications, operating procedures, or any formal content where accuracy and structure matter, Hero unifies files and data into a single system of record. You can edit together in real time, assign tasks, track ownership of sections, and automatically keep the document structure consistent as it evolves. The AI also helps accelerate workflows by suggesting links, resolving version confusion, and enhancing collaboration around complex, interconnected content that would otherwise take hours of manual work. For example, a legal team drafting a multinational compliance manual can watch how Hero keeps cross-references accurate across hundreds of pages, while teammates edit different sections simultaneously, meaning fewer errors, less time hunting for clauses, and faster reviews. Explore Hero today and see how structured document creation becomes clearer and more productive. Project number 6, Vybe, AI-powered internal apps from natural language. Imagine working with a tool that turns your team's everyday ideas into secure, production-ready internal apps without any coding. That's what Vybe is, an AI-driven platform that lets companies build real internal applications by describing what they want in plain language, instead of writing code. The system connects to real data sources and services like Gmail, Google Calendar, GitHub, Jira, and thousands of others, so the apps you create are immediately useful and tied to your live workflows and metrics. It includes enterprise-grade features such as built-in authentication, single sign-on, role-based access control, and secure cloud deployment so you don't end up with fragile prototypes or spaghetti glue code that breaks when someone leaves. What makes Vybe valuable now is that fast-growing teams often need dashboards, workflow tools, and data apps, but lack engineering bandwidth. Vybe lets operations, product, or support teams conjure those tools themselves, while engineers retain control of security and data integrations. A practical use case: you need an onboarding tracker that pulls live employee data, shows status across departments, and automates task reminders. Vybe lets you describe it and instantly get a working internal app connected to your real systems. Try it and watch automation unfold in real time. Project number 7, Tactiq, AI meeting assistant that captures insights. Imagine working with a helper that listens during every meeting so you can stay focused on the conversation, and then gives you back a clean record of what was said and what needs to happen next. That's Tactiq, an AI-driven meeting assistant that turns live video calls into accurate transcripts, smart summaries, and actionable outcomes without you having to scribble notes yourself. Tactiq runs as a browser extension that hooks into platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, and uses advanced speech-to-text and AI analysis to generate real-time transcriptions, tag who said what, and spotlight decisions or action items so you never miss a detail. You can ask the built-in AI questions about the discussion while the meeting is happening, get key points in seconds, and export the results to other tools or share them with teammates. Everything from concise recaps to project updates and follow-ups comes out of the same workflow. It supports over 30 languages, detects speakers, and lets you label highlights or convert transcripts into documents you can send or save. For teams juggling remote stand-ups, sales calls, or training sessions, Tactiq saves hours of post-meeting work and keeps everyone aligned with clear summaries and next steps. Try it once, and you'll feel how much smoother collaboration becomes. Project number 8. GLM 4.6V. Open source multimodal model with native tool use. Imagine working with an AI that not only reads long documents, but understands images, video frames, UI screenshots, and interwoven content all in one go. That's what GLM 4.6V brings to developers and AI builders. GLM 4.6V is the newest open-source multimodal large language model from Zid. AI designed to handle text, images, video, and files without needing messy conversions or manual stitching between inputs and tools. It expands the context window to 128K tokens, so you can feed in huge inputs like multi-page documents, slide decks, or hours of visual content in one shot, letting the model reason and generate rich structured outputs that blend text and visuals seamlessly. What sets it apart is native multimodal function calling, the ability to pass images, screenshots, or document pages directly as parameters to tools, and then interpret their results within the same reasoning chain, closing the loop from perception to action without losing detail. The GLM 4.6V family includes both a full-scale flagship model for cloud or enterprise use and a flash variant that's lightweight and optimized for local, low-latency applications. For developers building next-generation agents, analytics tools, document assistants, or visual search workflows, GLM 4.6V means more capable, visually grounded reasoning and richer outputs right out of the box. Give it a run and see how far your multimodal workflows can go. Project number 9. Preflight. AI-powered QA and bug bash workspace for teams. Imagine a tool that turns your chaotic bug bash sessions and test spreadsheets into a real-time quality assurance workshop your whole team can run together. That's what Preflight is, a collaborative QA platform where product, QA, and engineering teams plan tests, execute them, and track results all in a shared workspace instead of scattered docs or spreadsheets. Preflight uses AI to generate test cases from your product requirements and design links, like Figma, helping you start testing faster with organized charters rather than manually writing every step. As testers work together in real time, they mark steps as pass, fail, or blocked, and attach notes or screenshots along the way, so everyone always sees current progress and evidence. When something fails, Preflight lets you create tickets in Linear or Jira with one click, so failures immediately turn into actionable work without extra copying. The platform then produces a snapshot report that highlights coverage, traceability, and risks, so stakeholders can review readiness at a glance. It's built for modern teams pushing frequent releases who want smoother collaboration, clearer bug evidence, and faster feedback loops. Try it once, and you'll feel how much smoother your QA process becomes. Project number 10. Devstral 2. AI-first coding model and CLI assistant. Imagine working with an AI that doesn't just suggest lines of code, but genuinely understands your entire project and executes changes across files as if it were sitting beside you in the terminal. That's Devstral 2, a next-generation open-source coding model family from Mistral AI designed for real software engineering and advanced agentic workflows. Devstral 2 powers deep context-aware code generation, complex refactoring, multi-file edits, debugging, and repository navigation using natural language prompts through tools like the Mistral Vybe CLI, an open-source command line interface that turns your terminal into a conversational coding assistant. In practice, you can tell Vybe to search for functions, fix bugs, propose commits, manipulate file structures, or run commands, all while the model tracks project state and Git context to make meaningful, reliable changes across your codebase. Devstral 2 and its smaller variant, Devstral Small, provide flexible deployment options from local systems to cloud APIs with permissive open-source licenses that let developers integrate them into existing tooling or pipelines without vendor lock-in. For teams building internal developer tools or automating CI/CD tasks, Devstral 2's combination of deep code understanding, large context window, and terminal-native workflows means faster prototyping, fewer errors, and smoother developer experience. Give it a run and watch your coding workflows transform. Thanks for watching. If you found value in these tools, please hit like, subscribe to the channel, comment which AI agent you're most excited about, and enable notifications so you don't miss part 2. Don't forget to explore the links and try the demos in the description. And if you know other AI agent projects I should cover next time, drop them in the comments.